Welcome to part 3 of our VA loan series. Today we'll talk about smart VA loan strategies and when a VA loan may not be the best option. Strategy number 1. Use the zero down advantage wisely. VA loans let you buy without a down payment, but that doesn't mean you should stretch your budget. VA loans usually offer lower interest rates than FHA or conventional loans, saving you thousands over time. VA loans also come with one of the easiest refinance options called IRRRL, often called a VA Streamline Refinance. Another smart strategy is using VA loans to buy a primary home and build equity instead of renting. But VA loans are not perfect for every situation. Some sellers prefer non-VA offers due to appraisal or repair requirements. In competitive markets, this can matter. If you plan to sell quickly, the VA funding fee may reduce short-term benefits.